Good morning, students. Let's continue our topic, verbs. Yesterday I have already taught you what is verb, what is the definition of verb. So let's recap it once again. Okay. So first I will explain what is verb. Verb is an action word. It tells what the subject does or is. This I have already taught you. What is verb? Verb is an action word. Action word कल ऑलरेडी मैं आपको बताई हूँ. एक्शन वर्ड वो वर्ड होते हैं जिससे हमारे वर्क का पता चलता है, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारा डूइंग वर्ड क्या है. सपोज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग नाउ, आई एम टीचिंग यू. तो टीच इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. सो वर्ब इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. इट टेल्स, ये वर्ब क्या बताता है? इट टेल्स व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट जो है उस सेंटेंस में, what the subject does or is. सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, क्या करता है, और सब्जेक्ट क्या है. ओके, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू अबाउट सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो. लेट्स अगेन रिकॉल इट. सब्जेक्ट, द पर्सन or animal we speak about in a sentence. किसी सेंटेंस में अगर हम किसी पर्सन या एनिमल के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट. इसको देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल से. रोहन jumps high. In this line, children, in this sentence, first you find what is subject. What I have written here, the person or animal we speak about in a sentence. जब हम किसी सेंटेंस में किसी पर्सन या किसी एनिमल के बारे में बताते हैं, that is subject. So can you tell me what is subject in this? About whom we are talking in this line? We are talking about Rohan. And Rohan is a person. So Rohan is subject. Rohan is subject. Clear? One more example let's take. I am going to the market. Now you can tell me easily in this sentence what is subject. About whom we are talking in this line? We are talking about I. We are speaking about I. So I is a subject. I is a subject. So children, I think subject is clear to you. Now let's see verb. Verb, let us find in this verb. The definition of verb is written. Verb is an action word. Verb क्या है? Action word है. Action word मतलब doing word है. Like eat, play. I am writing here examples also so that it will be easy for you. Play, help, come, go, etc. Okay. So verb is an action word. Action word है. These are action word. It tells what the subject does or is. Now through these examples, let's find the verb. Subject we have already find here. Okay. Now tell me what Rohan does in this line. रोहन क्या कर रहा है? इसमें क्या करता है रोहन? रोहन jumps high. So the work done by Rohan is jumps. So what is the action word here? Jumps. So this is verb. In this, I am going to the market. Subject we have already found. I is the subject. Now tell me what I is doing in this line. I का एक्शन वर्ड क्या है? am going. क्या है? What is am going? So am going is also a verb. Now through this example we understood what is subject and what is verb. One note we have learned, note means important point, we have learned that verb can be more than one word also. Here you can see the verb is used in one word. Here the verb is in two words, are, going, right, is, coming. The verb can be more than one word also. So you can see the note here. Note means important point. A verb can be more than one word, right, as shown in this example. Okay, till here we had studied yesterday. Now the explanation which I am going to give, that is based on your page number 12, question number A. You can open your book. You can see in your book the question number A. Let me erase it. You all have understood? Okay. So I am erasing it. Children, now the explanation will be based on page number 12, question number A. So I am erasing this. I hope you all have understood. No need to write. You just go through whatever I have explained here. I will give you a good note. Okay, that you will copy in your notebook. Let's see now. As I told you, the explanation will be based on page number 12, question number A. In this question, what is written, you can see here, I am showing you. Complete these sentences with the correct form of words in the brackets. Correct form of the words given in the bracket. Actually, these are verbs. Okay, so you have to use these verbs, the verbs which are given in the bracket, in correct form. So now how we will use it in correct form, that I am going to explain you. Okay, so for this you have to understand the first point. This is very important point. The first point, when we do any work regularly, when, or you can say in this way, when we do any work regularly, we use the verb with S. When we do any work regularly, we use the verb as with singular noun or pronoun. Are you understanding this? What I have written? I have written when we do any work regularly. जब कोई काम हमारा रेगुलर बेसिस में होता है, जैसे you go to school daily, your mother cooks food daily, every day. So in this type of sentence, we use the verb with S. And you will see one thing more, the subject should be in singular form or singular. It may be singular noun, it may be singular pronoun, right? So let's see. We can take example. Rohan goes to the market. यहाँ पे ऐड कर देते हैं हम लोग डेली, ठीक है? आप नहीं भी करोगे तो भी सही है. रोहन गोज टू द मार्केट डेली, यानी कि ये जो वर्क है, ये वर्क डेली बेसिस पे हो रहा है. सो वी हैव यूज द वर्ब विथ एस और ईएस. ईएस बहुत कम में लगता है बेटा, एस ज्यादा में लगता है, इसलिए बोथ आई एम मेंशनिंग हियर. ओके, वन मोर एग्जांपल. सो व्हाट इज द वर्ब हियर? गोज एंड सब्जेक्ट रोहन. One more example. My mother food every day. तो आप कैसे बताओगे कि ये जो सेंटेंसेस मैंने जो लिया है, these works are going on daily basis, by seeing these words daily, every day. ये words जो है हमें बताते हैं कि ये वर्क जो है रेगुलर बेसिस पे हो रहा है. So you can see the verb is used with s or es, and one more thing, with singular noun or pronoun. यहाँ पे singular noun है बेटा. Rohan is a single boy. Rohan is one boy. So we have used go with s or es. My mother is also one lady, right? So again the verb is used with s. So let's take pronoun. Pronoun आपने पढ़ा है, आपने 1 क्लास में pronoun पढ़ा है, जैसे he, she, it, I, we, ये सारे pronoun हैं. तो ये क्या मैं यहाँ पे पढ़ाई, when we do any work regularly we use the verb with s or es with singular noun or pronoun. Like he sleeps at night. Everybody sleeps at night. सभी रात में सोते हैं, ये डेली बेसिस का काम है. Okay, so he sleeps at night. He is a pronoun. Rohan and my mother is a noun. Okay, so you have seen here with these examples, you have understood this line. When we do any work regularly, we use the verb with s or es with singular noun or pronoun. Right? One more point. Now you will ask me, मैम आपने तो बताया singular noun और pronoun के साथ verb में हम लोग s और es लगाते हैं. Then what about the plural noun और plural pronoun? उसमें हम लोग only we will use the base form of the verb. Base form of the verb मतलब go का go ही रहेगा, slip का slip ही होगा. There will be no change in those type of verb. Play will be play only. So base form is, there is no change in the form of the verb. So one more point you can write here, give an arrow. With plural noun or pronoun, we use base form of the verb. Base form of the verb. Is it clear? So example ले ले pronoun का, plural noun या plural pronoun. Plural noun का example लेते हैं. If we are taking single name of a boy or man or woman or a girl, then it is singular. When we take more than one name, then it comes into the plural noun. Let's take boys. Boys is singular or plural? It's a plural noun. So boys play in the field. अब बताइए, यहाँ पे आपने देखा सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हमने वर्ब में s और es लगाया है, और यहाँ प्लूरल नाउन के साथ बेस फॉर्म का यूज किया है. एज आई हैव टॉट हियर, विथ प्लूरल नाउन और प्रोनाउन वी यूज बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. मीन्स देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ वर्ब, नो एनी टाइप ऑफ चेंज इन वर्ब, राइट? प्ले का प्ले, गो का गो, स्लिप का स्लिप, नो चेंज. सो बॉयज, you can see the subject is plural here, the noun is plural here, that's why the verb is used without s or es. So एक pronoun का देख लेते हैं, plural pronoun का, right? Like I go to the school. I go to school, not the school. I go to school every day. Every day. See, I is plural pronoun. ये मैं आपको डिटेल जब प्रोनाउन पढ़ाऊंगी तो आपको क्लियरली बताऊंगी why I is plural pronoun. You will ask me I is used for single person, but why we say it plural? So that time I will explain you. So you listen here. with I, we, you, they or any plural noun, we use always the base form of the verb. Okay? So, this point is clear now? Okay, the next point we will start. The next point. Actually, these explanations are based on the question. Question number A. If you will understand this, question A will be easy for you. Okay. So let's see. Now the next main point is, when we talk about things or actions, when we talk about things or actions, when we talk about things or actions that are still going on, that are still going on. Going on मतलब still going on मतलब अभी तक वो काम चल रहा है, वो काम फिनिश नहीं हुआ है. The work is going on. Okay, when you are speaking, the work is going on. Suppose मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ आपको, तो what I will tell you? I read you, I teach you. I teach you. No, I am teaching you because now my work is going on. It is still on. Okay, so while we are speaking, जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं तो वो काम चल रहा है, तो उसमें हम लोग क्या लगाएंगे? We use ing. We use ing form of the verb. ing form of the verb. कब लगाएंगे? जब वैसे सेंटेंस में which tell us the work is still going on, जो हमें बताएगा कि काम अभी भी चल रहा है. Right? The ing form of the verb, the ing form of the verb is always used with is am are. Clear? So let's take some examples. Rohit is reading a book. Rohit is reading a book. According to this explanation, what is written? When we talk about the things or action, जब हम लोग देखते हैं कि वो काम अभी तक is still going on, अभी तक वो चल रहा है, तो हम लोग क्या लगाते हैं उस वर्ब के साथ? ing. उस वर्ब को हम लोग उसके ing फॉर्म में चेंज कर देते हैं. As you are seeing here, read has changed into ing form. And the last line is telling the ing form of the verb is always used with is, am or are. Is, am और are. आपको पता है is हम लोग सिंगुलर के साथ यूज करते हैं, am हम लोग I के साथ यूज करते हैं और are यूज करते हैं प्लूरल नाउन के साथ. Right? So you can see here, Rohit is a singular boy, one boy. So Rohit is reading a book. This action is going on. ये चल रहा है, रोहित पढ़ रहा है बुक को. So in this type of sentence, we use the verb with ing form, and this verb with ing form is always used with is, am or are. One more example. They are watching movie. See, this pronoun is in plural form. That's why we have used here are. They are watching. The verb is used with ing form. So it means this sentence tells us the action is still going on. ये काम अभी भी हो रहा है. They are watching movie. वो अभी भी मूवी देख रहे हैं. Right? See one more example. She is writing a letter to her father. Now can you tell me the work is going on in this sentence also? Yes. She is writing a letter to her father. वो अपने father को एक letter लिख रही है. The work is still going on. I hope children, I tried to make you understand better. So once again you will just go through page number 12 and I will share the notes with you. You will write those notes in your notebook and then after we will do a lot of practice based on the taught topic. Okay? Thank you.